Hello everyone, I'm home finally. Work is over till the next morning again. So I'm gonna do a vlog. I don't have a bra. I don't think so you're gonna able to see it because I have a loose shirt. So my favorite shirts, Star Wars. And Dan cook a meat, the whole meat this morning. Roast. Okay, he said a roast. And he just put it in the crock pot and add some seasoning. What else? Chop of vegetables, potato, carrots, and some onions, right?
Yep.
And I'm gonna show you what's look like. It's gonna be delicious. I'm thinking I'm gonna eat with rice, but we're gonna do American thing tonight, dinner. We're gonna eat it with bread for tonight, not rice. We're gonna pass rice tonight. So yeah, let's see what's the meat look like. This is the big it's a like Hamilton Beach crock pot, and that's what's look like the meat inside. Is it ready? It's still boiling though.
Hold on.
That's what's look like the meat. That's gonna be delicious, super soft meat with a bunch of vegetables. So yeah, it's gonna be our dinner tonight. And I have a couple plants outside in the back porch. Probably one of you see already my plants that I have in my back porch. And let's do an update for my plants in the back porch. They're all growing already, especially the Japanese eggplant. They're really one of them are super big already. So let's go outside. I mean one of them is big already. Done making fun of how sometimes I say it in the wrong way, my English, but that's how you learn. Is playing Minecraft. Okay, let's go outside, everyone. I'm gonna check our plants outside. Okay, we're outside now. Probably you can hear a little bit noise coming over there. That's the AC. The AC is on inside, so let's check out my plants. So these are my eggplants. It's getting big, guys. So I'm so excited about that one. And also another one I have here too, on the bottom, right here, and there too. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eggplants already. There's the jalapeno, those more peppers right there. There's a lot of peppers over there, and tomato, more peppers, and these are my moringa, malunggay. We call it in the Philippines malunggay. Those one too. These are okra, more jalapeno, okra right there, okra, more red peppers, not eggplant, what am I saying? Malunggay in the Philippines, moringa, and another moringa over there. So those are my plants here. Those are my plants over here in the backwards. And yeah, they're all getting big already. I'm so excited, especially the eggplant. The eggplant, they're all like getting big. I have like for one plant I have like 7 or 8 eggplants going on that one plant. So super excited about my eggplants. Maybe in a week or 2 weeks I can have an eggplants to make for dinner or something like that. I'm getting hungry already. I need snacks. Maybe just snacks for now. What else we got? We have so many snacks over here. but I don't know. A lot of bird. Maybe a chips. Maybe this one. This is my favorite. What do you call it? Cheetos, lemon and hot lime. These are good ones. It's not really spicy. A bit spicy. Not a lot of spicy going on. Okay. Tan tararan, tan tararan. I'm almost fall asleep when I go upstairs and lie down. I'm almost fall asleep. It's really comfy. Lie down. Okay, everyone. I already using my Sony ZB1 all the time when I'm doing not sit down video, vlogging, random videos, maybe here downstairs. So this is really good camera because what do you call that? You can put microphone on it on here on the top, and also they have another one here if you want to use those microphone that you can clip it in your shirts. That's the sometimes I use it on my sit down video, the cheap microphone that I can unplug it here on this side and then I can clip it on my shirts. So you can use that here too on this camera. And also you can use this type of microphone too that I'm using right now. So I'm in love with the audio, how it turns the audio. It's really good audio when you wanna, your video has a good audio. I like it. It's really good and it's worth for money to buy for this kind of type of camera because there's so many options. See, you can put microphone, even they're like super tiny compact camera, but you can still use the microphone on it. That's why I love this camera. If you want to, your audio is really good, you can use microphone, any type of microphone like this one or the one that you can clip it in your shirts. You can use that too. It's really good audio too because I try it on to this camera. And yeah, the audio is it's very good. So this really cute small camera, guys, you can see really small vlogging camera make me easy to vlog when I'm downstairs because if using my other camera, it's those, I think those are good for like just sit down videos. It's a little bit heavier than this one, it's a little bit bigger than this one, but this one is super tiny. See, I can like just like that, how it's big like that. So yeah, if you are looking for a vlogging camera, if you have an budget, I think this is better than the, for me, okay, for me this is better than the, how do you call that, the, I'm not sure, Canon G7X has the microphone input on it. I'm not sure if you can put microphone on that camera, but this one you can put microphone in, which is really good because if you wanna, like, you know, like I said, if you wanna, your audio is clear, loud and perfect, this is perfect for you. I'm in love with this camera. It's really a good camera. So this was look like, guys. This was look like the camera, super tiny, and you can use that type of microphone on it. And you got this handle. This is optional, guys, if you wanna buy this tripod that it comes with this tripod that I got. And also you can tell that if you're recording because they have red lights that right there that you can see it's recording right there. Super cute. Small camera. And also I want to try this camera for a sit down video. I haven't tried it yet, but like I'm interesting to try this camera for a sit down video, like doing makeup or product review. I want to see if this is okay for a sit down video. So I'm really excited. Maybe I'm gonna try that separate video maybe on my days off because I wanna like everything is okay. I make sure that don't have to worry like hurrying my time doing a sit down video. Good morning everyone, welcome to another day. So I just woke up and make some breakfast because I do work today. And yeah, it is 5:22 early in the morning, and today is Monday 29, so we still have work till tomorrow and off Wednesday and Thursday. I can't wait for my days off so that I'll be just be lazy, nothing to do when I'm on my days off. But anyways, I make a quick breakfast. What do you call this? English muffins. My favorite quick breakfast when I'm like running out of time, and also I cannot have without coffee in the morning. So yep, coffee and my English muffins, that's it for my quick breakfast. And I'm ready to shower and get ready for work because we have work today. Yeah. Nice coffee. It's nice having coffee early in the morning. But yeah, 2 more days and I'm off for 2 days. Every time I close to my days off, I'm really excited. But yeah, so that's it. I'm about to shower and I realized that I'm wearing earrings while I'm sleeping, which is normally I didn't do having an earrings while I'm sleeping, because sometimes I feel like it's poking my back skin on my back ears with like sharp earrings, and you know, the back earrings is a little bit sharp, and I didn't realize last night I'm wearing earrings when I'm sleeping. Sorry about the little bit noise. I'm in the, what do you call it? I'm in the bathroom. I'm about to go to shower, and I noticed my face is getting better now. It's so much better now, and yeah, it's these acne is going away. It's so much better now, and I'm still waiting for my product that I'm using, the product that I'm using every night. That's the only product that I use every night, every single night before I go to bed. Just one product. Those product make my face getting better a lot. If you see my old vlogs, I have so many acne, especially in the jaw, but now my face is getting better because of those products that I'm using every single night. So I'm still waiting for that product, and yeah, haven't shipped it yet. Hopefully I can receive it maybe in the few more days so that I can start using that product again, because I noticed that I'm having a breakout already, so I can't wait to receive that product that I'm using every single night to make my face better. I'm gonna go shower, guys. Talk to you later. Alright everyone, done doing my makeup, very simple makeup, and I'm about to leave, going for work, and yeah, see you later. Alright everyone, I'm home already, and I'm just gonna end this video, and before that I'm just gonna do a quick haul. This is like just a little things that I bought before I go home today. And yeah, so I bought these cotton balls to clean my face with. I use it with what do you call it, toner, these cotton balls. And also I bought these. This is really important for my dentures. I have dentures, guys. If you don't know me, I have dentures already. I have 5 fake teeth to help me chew, because I don't have 5 teeth on my inside, you cannot see it anyways because they're all inside. Only one here on this side. Sometimes you can see it when I'm smiling, this side. But yeah, I have 5 fake teeth already. So this is the dentist recommended when I not wearing it at night. I don't wear my dentures when I'm sleeping. We're not supposed to wear that when we're sleeping. So I use this Polydent overnight whitening daily cleanser. This is I use for my teeth, to clean my teeth. To clean my teeth overnight. And I want to try these eyebrows that I'm using right now. This is the NYX pomade, and I want to try, this is a pomade like kind of brown, and I want to try the black one, so I got the black one. My favorite eyebrow gel, NYX. So these are my favorite eyebrow gel. This is what's look like on the front. And also haven't tried the liquid eyeliner with the, what do you call that, with the like liquid one. I use all the time the pencil, so I bought this Melanie matte eyeliner matte. So I want to try this one, guys. I want to try this one because I haven't tried you know what I mean. I always have those like a pencil, not like this one. This is not a pencil. This is the one with the applicator on it. So I want to try this one. I don't know how much is it. I love Melanie makeup. They're actually a really good makeup though. This is the eyeliner, $6.97, and this next is $7.47. So not really bad, less than $10. So why not to try it? Because I know this is really good. My favorite eyebrow gel, and it's last long. It doesn't like smudge or erase your eyebrows when you put it on. It's long wear, so that's why I love this NYX brow gel. So alright everyone, that's it for today's vlog. Hope you enjoy this vlog. If you do, give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. Why not? It's free. And also don't forget to click the notification bell button so that you will notified every time I do upload a new video. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye everyone.